Hello friends, welcome. So we can start a quiz on Agro 123 course on second chapter, Water Resources of India and Maharashtra. In this, the first question is the basic source of water in India is, first option is dams, second one is oceans, third one is rainfall or snowfall, and the last one is rivers. The basic source of water in India. The correct answer is rainfall and snowfall. Yes. The second question is the average annual rainfall in India is, first option is 1194 mm, 392 mm, 400 mm, and the last option is 194 mm. So the correct option is the average annual rainfall in India is, the correct option is 1194 mm. Can go next. The third question is the average annual rainfall of water in million hectare meter in India is, question is incomplete. This is one India here. So the correct option is the average annual rainfall, only rainfall. So the correct option is 392. Okay. Next quiz is, fourth, the average annual rainfall including snowfall in India is about in million hectare meter. The first option is 392, second one is 400, third one is 1194, and the last option is 8. So the correct option of this, the average annual rainfall including snowfall in India is, correct option is 400. Next one, sixth question, the circuit of water movement from the atmosphere to the earth and back to the atmosphere through various stages is called as, the first option is hydrocycle, the second option is atmospheric cycle, third option is hydrological cycle, and the last option is water cycle. The correct option is hydrological cycle. The circuit of water movement from the atmosphere to the earth and back to the atmosphere through various stages is called as hydrological cycle. The next one is the irrigation projects can be classified as major, medium and minor on the basis of, the first option is employees involved in the scheme, second one is financial limits involved in the scheme, the third option is number of projects, and the last one is size of land. The correct answer of this, the financial limits involved in the scheme. Next MCQ, the major irrigation project covers agricultural command area is, first option is near 2000 hectare, second is less than 10,000 hectare, and third one is 2000 to 10,000 hectare, and the last option is more than 10,000 hectare. So here the major irrigation project covers more than 10,000 hectares. Move again. Next question, the expenditure involved in the medium irrigation project is, first is this is last option, so 2.5 to 50 million, and less than 2.5 million, and more than 50 million, and none of this. So the expenditure involved in the medium irrigation project is 2.5 to 50 million. Going through the next MCQ, out of 400 million hectare meter of annual rainfall, and 70 million hectare meter is lost to atmosphere through evaporation, and transpiration and absorption, and evaporation and absorption. Correct option is evaporation and transpiration. Next MCQ. Out of 400 million hectare meter of annual rainfall, about dash dash million hectare meter rainfall flows as surface runoff. 415, 215 and 115 and 70. So the correct option is 115 million hectare meter flows as surface runoff. Going through next MCQ. Which monsoon contributes about 15% of total rainfall in India? First option is northeast, second one is southeast, third one is northwest, the last option is southwest. The correct option is northeast. Yes, northeast monsoon contributes 50% of total rainfall. The next one, southwest monsoon is also called the dash dash period of rainfall in India. First option is grand, second one is destructive, third one is temporary, and the last one is little. So the answer will be the grand period of rainfall in India. And next MCQ. Rainfall in Maharashtra is, first option is stable, second option is highly variable, third option is very sustainable, and the last option is least variable. So the correct option is rainfall in Maharashtra is highly variable. Southwest monsoon contributes around dash dash total rainfall of India. So first option is less than 75%, second is more than 15%, third one is less than 15%, and the last option is more than 75%. So the southwest monsoon contributes more than 75% of the total rainfall of India. Next MCQ is, which is the key element for agricultural sector? First option is irrigation, second one is insecticide, third one is tractor, fourth one is fertilizers. The correct option is the key element for agricultural sector is irrigation. Next one is the geographical area of the Maharashtra state is 13.8 millihectare, and in this the cultivable area is, first one is 30.1 million hectare, second one is 22.5 million hectare, third one is 15 million hectare, and the last option is 10 million hectare. The correct option is 22.5 million hectare is the cultivable area in Maharashtra. Next question is, in northeast monsoon dash dash gets highest rainfall followed by the Andhra Pradesh. First option is Kerala, second option is Rajasthan, third option is Tamil Nadu, and the last option is Maharashtra. So in northeast monsoon the Tamil Nadu gets highest rainfall followed by Andhra Pradesh. Go next. The Krishna, Godavari, Tapi and Narmada are the four major rivers basins in Maharashtra. In these rivers, the dash dash average annual availability of water. First option is 58%, second one is 90%, third one is 15%, and the last option is 75%. The correct answer is 58% average annual availability of water in the rivers. So the second last question, in Maharashtra the rainfall ranging from, first is 400 to 6000 million hectare, second one is 400 to 6000 millimeter, and third one is 500 to 600 millimeter, and the last one is 1000 to 200 millimeter. The correct answer will be is 400 to 600 millimeter. This is million hectare, this is millimeter, it is confusing one. So this is correct. Last one is, now the irrigation potential of the Maharashtra is, the current irrigation potential of the Maharashtra is, first option is 12.6 million hectare, second one is 3.6 million hectare, third option is 8 million hectare, and the last one is 50 million hectare. So the correct option of this is irrigation potential of the Maharashtra is 12.6 million hectare. So we can complete the quiz on a agro second chapter, and we will take a quiz on a next chapter. Thank you.